Good morning. Today we will discuss about pollination. Pollination, it is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower or another flower. It is called as pollination. Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower or another flower. It is called as pollination. This is the pollination. There are two types of pollination: self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination, it can be defined as the process of transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower. It is called as pollination. And cross-pollination, it is the process of transfer of pollen grain from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower located on different mother plant. It is called as the cross-pollination. And self-pollination consists of two types: autogamy and geitonogamy. Autogamy, it is the auto, it means self, gamous, it is marriage, and the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower is called as autogamy. It's involving only one bisexual flower, for example groundnut. And geitonogamy, it is the neighbors, gamous means marriage. So transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of another flower located on the same mother plant, it is called as geitonogamy. It's involving two flowers located on same mother plant. सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन मध्ये काय झालं, इट्स इन्व्हॉल्विंग ओनली वन फ्लावर. geitonogamy मध्ये इट्स इन्व्हॉल्विंग टू फ्लावर लोकेटेड ऑन सेम मदर प्लांट. मदर प्लांट सेम राहणार आहे, पण फ्लावर हे काय राहणार आहेत, वेगळे राहणार आहेत, दोन राहणार आहेत. फ्लावरची इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट ही काय होणार आहे, दोन फ्लावरची इन्व्हॉल्वमेंट होणार आहे. अँड क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन, it is the process of transfer of pollen grain from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower located on different mother plant. And it consists of two type: allogamy and zygogamy. It involving two flower located on two different plant of same species or different species. And cross pollination, it is divided into two types: zygogamy and hybridization. Types of cross pollination: zygogamy, transfer of pollen grain from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower produced on different plant belonging to same species. It is called as zygogamy, for example papaya. Hybridization, next type is the hybridization. The transfer of pollen grain of anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower produced on variety or subvariety or species, it is called as hybridization. For example, pollination between two species or variety of. Distinguish between self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollination, it involving only one flower, and cross-pollination, it involving two flower or two different mother plant. Agent in self-pollination, agents are not required, and cross-pollination, agents are required. Less wastage of pollen grain, more wastage of pollen grain. It maintain pure line, it cannot maintain pure line. Self-pollination, new variety cannot be produced, and in cross-pollination, new variety can be produce. Heredity maintain generation to generation. Heredity cannot maintain the generation to generation. Flowers are generally small and non-scented, and in cross-pollination, flowers are generally large and scented. In self-pollination, it can occurs closed flower. Self-pollination हे क्लोज फ्लावर असेल तरीही घडून येतं का, कारण त्यामध्ये फक्त इट इन्व्हॉल्विंग ओनली वन फ्लावर्स. मग फ्लावर क्लोज असेल तरी पण त्याच फ्लावरचा अँथर आहे आणि त्याच फ्लावरचा स्टिग्मा आहे त्यामुळे. and in cross pollination it does not occurs in closed flowers. इथे होऊ शकणार नाही कारण दोन वेगवेगळे फ्लावर आहेत. एका फ्लावरचा अँथर असणार आहे, दुसऱ्या फ्लावरचा स्टिग्मा असणार आहे. and it show less adaptability and it show better adaptability, and it's sure method of pollination and it is not sure method of pollination. Significance of pollination. Pollination helps in transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. It is the first essential step towards sexual reproduction. It stimulates pollen grain to germinate and produce male gametes. It stimulates growth of ovary and it prevents ovary abscission. It helps to bring male and female gametes closer for fertilization, and it is essential for formation of seeds. This is the signification of pollination. Pollinating agent. Pollinating agent, there are two types of pollinating agent: abiotic agent or biotic agent. Abiotic agent means it is the non-living things. It is a physical factor, for example wind or water. And the biotic agent are living factor. It is insects, birds and bats. This is the pollinating agents: insects, birds and bats. Honeybees, it is the social insects. Agents of pollination, it means that move the pollen grain from the anther to stigma. Agents of pollination includes wind, insects, birds, water, rudient. आपल्याला माहिती आहे पॉलिनेशन म्हणजे काय आहे. द ट्रान्सफर ऑफ मॅच्युअल pollen grain from anther to stigma. Wind, insects, birds and other animals. It is the honeybees, it is the social insects. It is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. And birds, it is the biotic agent.